Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a really quick share. I've been going through all my dies because I have so many and categorizing them, but I've also, while going through them, noticed that there's lots that I haven't used. So ones that I haven't used, I pulled out and made this huge stack and just I'm still going through the stack. I'm probably only like a quarter way done. But most of them, I just cut out the die to make sure the die worked, to see what it looked like when it cut out. And I did find some that I just cannot get to work. I've tried new plates, old plates. Different paper. I'm over it. But I am here today with one that actually did work. I've had this die. I did get it from AliExpress, but I'm sorry, I don't know what shop. But it does make a box, and there's lots of different, pieces to it. Layering pieces, cut out pieces. And so you cut out this frame twice for the top and the bottom. Oh, I also found dies that I don't even know how the heck to put them together. So I might do a series on that, because if you guys have the die, maybe you know. Like, I had one die, it was a Memory Dex purse die, and I couldn't figure out, and for the life of me did not think that that was a layering, that it came with a layering piece. I don't know why. And I saw someone's video and they used it in their project, and I was like, oh my gosh. So I busted it out, cut it, and put it together. So that was one of the reasons why I started going through my dies. But this was one that I did know how to use, or I found out how to use just from Googling. But some of my dies I cannot find just Googling, so, or it says it's not available anymore. So maybe you guys have the same die and will be able to help me. But, in any case, this is the die that I used to make a box. I am in a swap. It's a die cut swap. But, you can send a few goodies too. You know how that goes. But, so yeah, so this is the die, and here is the box that I made. I did use Willow Lane paper just for the panels, and then a whole bunch of different foam flowers, paper flowers. The stems from the leaves, I just, wrapped them around a toothpick and then made these curlicues. But yeah, this is the box, and then, there's something in it for the recipient. So I don't know what happened, it just cut off. And so I'm just back to say au revoir until my next video. Thank you so much for being a subby. If you're not a subby and you would like to join me on my crafty journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, shakas!